Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to create a drop down section. Drop down section, like maybe when you click here, it opens up thing drop down section. So let's go over to pages. Pages using Elementor. Using Elementor is totally free, guys. So let's go to edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Yeah, it's loading. Elementor is loading. Loading. Let's go. Yeah, it's loaded. It's done. Just go to this page. How else? Okay. Here's a page. So let's say maybe you want to drop down. So you have to search for toggle, or you can drop down toggle. Why is so slow, man? Toggle. Yes. Going to use this element toggle. Then you place toggle there. Then you open this toggle. Then maybe you rename it. Maybe you're creating a FAQs section or FAQs page. Then you name it why maybe in terms of what they're asking you. Okay, let's go to you can customize it, toggle title. Wanna style it now. Maybe let's gonna put a background color. Yes, like this on the title, and on the content also. Let's make this text black. Then background also there. Then let's say we'll go with green. Then you update. Then you can keep on adding like a lot of toggles. I mean, a lot of information. Add new. Lot of information. As a title. Then it's a content down below. Then yeah. So now let's update. It's a FAQ section of content build. Okay, let's preview and see if how it looks in real life. Okay, let's preview. On preview now. Yes, here is it. Then when you click here, it's open down. When you click here, it's open down. Yeah, it's a drop down section. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. See you next time. Stay blessed.